The taste of pizza with none of the carbs, all inside a quick skillet meal. Check out how this delicious pizza chicken is made. Hey guys, welcome back to another winning recipe you're going to love. I mean, who doesn't love pizza, right? I know I do. My kids in particular love the classic pepperoni pizza, so one night I told them I could turn chicken into pizza. I got a bunch of "no way, Mom," yeah right, but I did. I'm gonna show you how this comes together, so first let's preheat our oven. Preheat the oven first is important when you wanna get dinner made as soon as possible. So here I have my chicken breast and a large oven-safe skillet. You're gonna brown the chicken breast on both sides for about 2 minutes per side. You don't have to cook the chicken through, the oven will do that. Just a golden brown crust. Now that both sides are seared, let's turn off the heat and pour some marinara sauce over the chicken. I'm also gonna place a little bit underneath. Of course, you know that there's always a link to the recipe right below this video, and while you're down there, click the red subscribe button. I'd love to send you a new video every single week. So this chicken is ready to go in the oven for about 20 minutes. After that, we take the chicken out, pour the remaining marinara sauce over the chicken, top with a little cheese, pepperoni, and more cheese. You're gonna bake this for another 10 minutes until the cheese has melted and the pepperoni is browned. Wow, check it out. Cheesy, pizza-like. Let's see what it looks like. So good. I could eat this recipe all the time. You could top this chicken with your favorite pizza toppings, like the possibilities are endless. Print the recipe by clicking the link right below this video and subscribe to this channel. It's full of easy and delicious meals you're going to love to eat. See you next time. Woo!